So here I have Bangster Berry by Bang. This is a potent brain and body fuel. I just happened to be making some review videos, and so I was drinking one of these, and I'm like, well, I should review this as well. So you've got the Super Creatine Ultra CoQ10, 0 calories. That's what's great about these Bang energy drinks. 0 calories. Let's go through some of these. Sodium 40. 0. Okay, these have 300 milligrams of caffeine in them, so obviously you want to be careful if you have already had a bunch. But as far as the taste, that's probably the biggest thing for everybody. As long as it tastes good and it has some caffeine to give me a pick-me-up, that's what this does. So by the makers of legendary Redline energy products, make no mistake, Bang is not your stereotypical high sugars life-sucking soda. It's an awesome energy drink is what it is. So anyway, I want to put this in a cup. Bangster Berry, you may think this is purple, but it's not. It is clear. And let's do a taste test. And oh yeah, it tastes really good. It actually tastes slightly grape, slightly berry flavor, but is awesome and really does give me a pickup throughout the day whenever I'm working and doing all kinds of other stuff. Work great for pre-workout and stuff. 0 calories per can, so that's what's awesome about this. But this is for Bang energy drink, EAA aminos in here as well, and you can go through the listing and see all the other benefits that it has. So that's what this is. I recommend it. I'm going to link it up down below if you want to check that out and pick up some for yourself.